Guys, do you know what procurement cart helps you do on 1688? Or you're just seeing it for fancy? Okay, do you actually go to 1688 and check all those details? Okay, so procurement cart is like a game changer. If you've not been using procurement cart, after this video, please go use procurement cart. Okay, so procurement cart is like a game changer for importers, especially as a newbie, because it helps you save money. Yes, procurement card helps you save money. If you're the type of person that used to place order, you just go to an item and immediately place the order. Please, after this video, change the habit. Okay, so see what procurement card helps you do. Now, for example, you want to buy this watch. You want to buy this watch, and then you click on the watch. Okay, it's loading and it has loaded. And let's say you want to buy like three pieces of the watch. I'm just choosing randomly. So I choose one, two, three, and I immediately go for order now. Immediately go for order now. Whereas it's not just this watch, except you just want to buy this watch and then you're off of the site for that period, right? But if you want to buy other things, especially if you're in a pre-order group, I will not say you go for order now. No, right? What I'll say you do is here, there's a cart here. Let me take it, add to cart. Okay, see here, add to cart. I'll say carry this and add to cart. Okay, so I've clicked on add to cart and it has been added to cart, right? So what does, as in all these other items, now you can scroll down and you can see another item from this same seller shop. Now all these items are from the same seller shop. They are recommending it for you to buy. If I click on it again, I click on something else again, and I want to add to cart. I want okay, the minimum is 30 pieces. Let's just go for 30 pieces, and I have added to cart again, right? I've added to cart again. Now, what does procurement cart helps us do? It helps us save money. Now, if I click on order now, they will charge me for local shipping, especially when it have to do with 188, because 188 has local shipping stuff. So they will charge me for local shipping, and then I come to this other watch and I want to make order. They will still charge me for local shipping. Why I'm getting it from the same supplier? The supplier is going to send it once to the shipping company. So by right, I am supposed to pay him just one shipping fee, right? I'm supposed to pay him just one local shipping. But if I go this way, I will not pay him. I'll pay double shipping fee. If I'm buying 10 different items from the same supplier, I'll be paying for 10 different local shipping. Whilst I'm supposed to just pay, they're supposed to merge it into one. I'm supposed to pay for one. So what procurement cart helps us do is, now let's look at procurement cart. Here, you're seeing it, procurement vehicle, procurement cart, whatever it is on your own. So that is what we'll be clicking. Let's see what it helps us do. So I've clicked on it right now. It's loading. I don't want this video to be long. So it's loading. So look at what procurement cart helps us do. It helps us, sorry, it's loading. So look at it. You're seeing these two you're seeing these two watches now. It's one supplier. Look at it, one supplier. And so if we click on order, if we click on it, that's the supplier, and then we want to place order, they will charge us for just one local shipping, right? We're going to be charged just one local shipping. So this is what will help importers, especially if you're in a pre-order group. It will help you to save money, right? It will help you to have massive profit. So please go try it on, make use of a procurement cart, and thank me later. Bye.